Hey my lovelies, how you all doing today? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Toby. Today I'm going to be talking about Too Good To Go. Too Good To Go is just an app where UK shops put all the food that they know that if they don't sell at the end of the day, they might go to waste, so they just put it on this app and we the people can go and purchase them for less the price. I don't know if I'm explaining it properly, but you get the gist. Before we get into this video, please don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's get into it. This is going to be my very first purchase from Too Good To Go. I have two different bags here. I have one from Greg's and I have another one here from Morrisons. This Morrison bag is quite heavy. When I was on the app trying to make this purchase, I didn't actually know what was going to be in the bag because it's a magic bag, like a surprise bag. They kind of just pick whatever from the store and just put it in the bag, so you don't know what you get until you get the bag. So yeah, let's get into the Greg's bag first. Then the first item from the Greg's bag is this roast chicken and bacon club baguette. This one right here, it has bacon in it, so I won't be eating this one, so definitely going to the hobby. And the next item is another one with bacon sausage rolls right here. They have two of them in this bag, so I'm happy with this as well. And the next item I'm going to be showing you is this. It says sugar strand donut, and I just call this donut with sprinkles. And yeah, I got this one. This is quite nice as well. And the next item I got is two more donuts. These are jam donuts. There are two of them in the bag. I'm quite happy with this one. And the next item I got from Greg's is this yum yum. It's it's like donut but with this shape right here. I really like this one, so I'm happy about this one. So I got how many in total? 1, 2, 3. 3 donuts, 2 sausage rolls, and 1 baguette. Everything in this bag is meant to be worth £8, and I got this bag for £2.59. So that's a really good deal. I'm happy with this bag. So let's get right into the Morrison bag. First thing I saw was these gooseberries. I do not actually know what gooseberries are. This is my first time seeing this, and this bag was actually opened, which I am so upset about this, and I'm so sorry. I will not be eating this. Because it's not even a grape. It's I don't even know what this is. It's just, look at that. Look at this. I don't know. I do not know what this is. I asked my husband, like, do you know what this is? He said he's heard about it. He never tried it. So yeah, and the fact that it was opened, oh, I didn't like that. I would not be eating anything that's open. And the next one is another disappointing one. This is strawberries. This literally came in the bag like this. Look, open, broken. Oh, come on, Morrisons. Why do you have to do me like this? And look at all the fruits. I know it's a Too Good To Go bag and everything, but can they all still be, intact? Like the lid, everything is still sealed? Because I will not be eating anything that it's already open. Yeah, I won't. But yeah, I'm not happy with those two. So then I got the next item I got was oranges. Yep. Look at this. Sorry about the noise. 3 different oranges. I'll be making lots and lots of orange juice with all these oranges. So yeah, I'm happy with these ones. And the next thing I got was this crumpet. I got crumpet, even though it's going to be like going off, like, I don't know, expiring like tomorrow. I don't know how I'm going to eat all this. It said best before, so I don't even know how that works. Oh my god. I got 2 of those, by the way. 2. I got 2 of those. It's 9 crumpets. And the next item I got from the bag is this apple. I got just 1 of them. I think this is like one of the pink lady pink. I don't know. But yeah, I got this apple, and yeah, I like apples, so I'm glad with this one. And the next item I got is this naturally wonky potatoes. Look at it. This is a whole bag. Literally 1 key potatoes. Yeah, we'll be eating lots of potatoes, but yeah. The date says today, so oh my god, I don't know. But it is potatoes, so we don't want anything going back, so we're gonna have to be looking for something to do with this, like ASAP, maybe making like what's that, shepherd pie? Yeah, okay, I can do shepherd pie with this. Yeah, I'm happy with this though. And the next item I got, oh my god, I'm so sorry about the noise. It's some avocado. Look at this little avocado. I got about 12 of them. 2 right here, another 2, that's 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, oh, 13 of these avocados. Oh my god, and they're really nice and they're not very soft. Some of them are still not very ripe, you know, and some of them are soft that you can eat it now, and some of them are like you still have to wait a day or 2 to eat them. So I don't know, I'm so excited. I love avocados, and I got like 13 of them. For this bag cost me the Morrisons bag is £3.09, and everything in the bag is meant to be worth £10. And yeah, so even though I'm upset about the 2 fruit, the strawberries and the gooseberries, I'm happy with the rest of the bag. And I think I'll be trying more of this Too Good To Go, maybe different stores. Maybe I'll get lucky and get more goodies from this. Well, this is the first time trying it, so I'm going to be doing this again and see how that works. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Have you tried Too Good To Go before? You can leave me a comment down below and let me know what other stores you've tried. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like this video, share, and consider subscribing to support my channel. I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day, everybody. Bye.